Well, CB has discovered a swarming horde of honeybees.
They're up there.
We're going to look up here in the tree and let's see if I can. Somewhere in that cacophony of swirling bee life is the queen.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Yeah. It's quite filled up the air, but they're kind of settling down on this branch right up in here. And there they are. I hope they're not the African bees, because if they are, they may come down here and attack us.
So if they were, we'd probably already be in trouble.
Yeah. Bees everywhere. I wonder what they think they're doing. They're just flying around in weird random patterns.
That's where like the camera then comes to me and I'm just covered in them.